This week, Maria's the new Bruce Forsyth.
Justin gets stung again.
He stung me on the shoulder. Lenny introduces his new joke countdown.
The altitude is too much for me.
Ants take over our camping spot.
Justin does the truffle shuffle.
So we've had a little jiggle. And Maria is super upset.
And not being able to get them out. So smash that subscribe button and let's get on with it.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, had to reach for the city line.
So I don't know if you can see, but I've just took a film of quite a few houses now. The closer we get into Spain, the more villa-like the houses are. So I don't know whether the design of the villa kind of squeezed over the borders into France.
Digging deep since 99. What I thought was gone.
Some water for you. Do you want it? No, you don't want it. Oh, right, okay. You sure? To be fair, the water's warm. I'd like to say it's cold, but it's not really warm. To be fair, he's doing alright. He's doing pretty good. He's hot, but he's not. He doesn't seem to be overheating at all, so that's really good. Because we have been a bit worried about him, but he seems to be coping really well with it.
He has got some experience, mine.
Yeah, because we were out
down to Spain last year, didn't we?
Yeah, we were out here last year, do you know what I mean? And we done well then. I mean, in here now with the windows open, you've got the cool breeze coming through, you know, so it's great. It keeps cool like that.
He could do with an haircut, maybe.
Well, the only thing with glasses is when the wind blows your hair, it goes inside the glasses and you get all stuck in your eyelashes. Forever picking up my eyelashes, no mind. Yay! How gorgeous is this little place, though? What a beautiful little place!
Yeah.
Lenny's having a
Where's he going?
He's landed, yes. He was so hot getting out the van then. He ran down trying to find a way into the water and everything.
Yeah.
He's had a drink and he's just enjoying it now.
Oh, he knows what he likes.
Yeah, he does.
And he likes the water.
Bloody loves it. And I gotta be honest, it's really cooling me down as well. It's made a hell of a difference.
I don't know if you can see, but look at them water boatmen. There's a billion of them.
Yeah, there's loads of water boatmen, yeah, and they're all like just skating along the water. I don't know what they're looking for. How was the drive for you?
Well, it's like bloody Switzerland. Going
Yeah.
up and up and up and up. And I thought, well, I can't go any higher.
Yeah.
And then you level off, and then all of a sudden, you only go. Yeah, don't worry about it, because you'll be going back up soon.
Yeah.
And there's a big ass snake all the way up and down. So I thought it was horrendous. But then you think, well, this is what an adventure is. It's going down places like that you never see. So, yeah, and once you realise that it's a good adventure, it really comes back to you then. And this is what it is.
Yeah, it comes to life then, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, can't go by yet.
Oh, my God.
Here it comes.
Right, give him off a man.
Come here, Lenny. Lenny. Come here. What are we going to do?
Move.
We'll have to move.
So it looks like we're going to move back a tiny little bit because of the ant's nest. So we're just trying to figure out now if the old man can jiggle across a little bit. Let's see if we got any room. Yeah, we got a little bit of room. And then we can fit, oh yeah, maybe. Well, we'll have to see. We'll check it out. See what we can do. And if not, then we'll go over there. Okay, so we've had a little jiggle. I've parked just there on an angle, basically next to the old man. But it kind of gets me flatter in a way, in a three-dimensional way. So I have to put the ramps on the front tyre and the back tyre on this side. And then we're kind of level. But now, I'm gonna give the chili a stir. Give that chili a stir just. It's not me really. I just come out here when they're not here and I'm giving it a stir. And I'm making out I am.
Is he telling you that he's cooked that?
From fresh, I had to cut all them vegetables. You know how it is, guys.
So tonight's tea consists of chicken chilli, but I put extra peas and extra beans and stuff in it just to give us some extra protein. So it's going to be full of protein, really tasty, like camp food really, like you do in the UK, I suppose. If you're going on a camping trip, you've got chilli or spaghetti or something like that with you, and you just bang it all in the pan, and it comes out delicious, I hope.
A wasp crawled up my sleeve on my t-shirt. I didn't know. I gave him a tap because I felt something crawling. He stung me on the shoulder. I'm always sticking up for wasps. Not them French ones. I'm not sticking up for them French ones anymore. Twice I've been stung by French wasps in flipping a week. It made me bust my chair. Look at this. Oh. Look at that. Bust. He bust me chair.
And the thing is, right, for years he's told me to stop running away from them. They won't hurt you, they'll be alright, twice in a week.
Welsh ones I like. I want like them Welsh wasps. Not those blowing French ones.
Oh. Lenny's having a catch.
Morning guys. Breakfast time in the woods. Egg on toast!
That's what we have every morning.
Every morning.
Without fail.
Yeah, it was just scrambling around looking for bread and eggs. The old man had some stashed.
Yeah, we're kind of running out of stuff, aren't we?
Yeah, running out now. Gotta go to the supermarket, so all these littles, here we come.
See Lenny down there, just been in for a little swim. He has cooled down. I love him. Where is he? There he is. Hello!
He's in the water.
What's it like?
Cold.
Cold, is it? That's good.
Ice.
Good. We do like being next to a river because it does really help with the heat. Really helps cool us down because it is absolutely scorching again today. Apparently the temperature is going to drop around here over the next few days, but we will be moving on today now. I think we're going to go to a lake where we can all actually jump in and swim, because this river here, even though it's nice, it's lovely to put your feet in, it's not nowhere near deep enough to have a swim. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to move on in a bit, and hopefully we'll be able to get our paddle boards out as well. About time. We've been here now 3 weeks and not been able to get them out. So I'm looking now for our next stop off. Okay, so there's a lake there, but I was looking at this one here. Was I looking at this one, or was I looking at the one up here? Can't remember. I think this is the one I was just looking at. I'm trying to find out where we are now. It normally gives you a blue spot, but it doesn't at this moment. So I don't know where we... Oh, there we are there. So there's a lake there.
Yeah.
Which is this one. Lac du Lausa.
Lac du what?
Lausa.
Lac du Lausa.
Lac du Lausa.
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 Alright, we can check it.
Yeah. And that is, so this spot here is the one I was looking at. So if I just put that into the map now, it'll tell us then how far away it is. Oh, it's 4 hours away.
Oh well, we're not going there.
We're not going there.
Not for 4 hours.
Jeez, no. Oh, no.
So what app is that?
So this is the ParkNight app.
Ah, right, cool. Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good actually. We found quite a few places to park for free. Most of our places we find on here.
So you recommend it?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. It's definitely worth getting because it does show you some really good park ups.
Do you have to pay for it?
There's a free version and there's also a paid version as well. We have got the paid version because it does give you more.
Yeah, I got the
options.
free version on my phone and there's next to nothing on it. So you gotta go for the paid version.
Yeah. Just about to move on and Justin's gonna reverse back now and I'm gonna take the ramps out. Ready for us to go. And they go in that bag there. That's it for this week, but don't miss Lenny's joke coming up next. But in the meantime, we'd just like to thank you all for watching. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and we will catch you next week.
Hey Coco, do you know which birds tell the best egg jokes?
Ooh, which ones, Lenny?
The comedians! A little jiggle.